Hello mga ka-electronics. Welcome back. Ito na yung full explanation ng experiment natin na simple voltage divider. We have two resistors. We have R1, R2. Then this is a resistive circuit because we have only using two resistors. So we supply these two resistors with 10 volts power supply. Okay? Hindi ko na pinakita kung paano minisure, no? Pero ito, may record tayo, guys. Kasi para hindi na humaba yung video natin. So with 10 volts power supply and this values of two resistors, we have here the diagram. We have the supply 10 volts from the power supply. Then we have R1, R2. Then R1 is 680 ohms. R2 is 330 ohms. Now, this is our output voltage here between the two resistors. Again, this is a simple voltage divider. Ito yung reading natin. With different multi-testers. So first reading natin dito sa digital multi-tester natin is output here, okay, is 3.71 volts. And for our next multi-tester, which is analog, where is range in times 10 volts because we have expected our reading is less than 10 volts because our supply is only 10 volts. Then this across one resistor across the voltage drop between the R1 and R2. So for this multimeter output, the reading is 3.4 volts. Okay, approximately. Why approximately? Because sometimes when we use this multi-tester, the scale is very small. Scale here, medyo hindi natin talaga eksakto mabasa yung, lalo na sa between small scale, no? Yung maliliit na scale, yung guhit. So yung sa between those small scales, medyo may error tayo, kaya approximately lang 3.4. But hindi malayo dito sa digital natin dito is 3.71 volts. Okay? So not that far. Pretty good enough. Okay? Almost same. Then for the third meter, we have here the clamp digital meter, still digital meter, clamp meter. The reading is 3.326 volts. So much pretty close sa yung three readings natin. Okay? For first digital meter natin 3.71 volts, analog is approximately 3.4 volts. And the digital clamp meter natin is 3.326 volts. So well, you may ask, bakit hindi pare-pareho? Una-una, yung quality ng every meter na ginagamit natin. So I must accept na itong mga meter ko is hindi naman talaga ito mga mamahalin, no? Hindi naman to good, as in excellent quality. Just for ano lang to, for demo purposes. Okay? So hindi yan ganun ka mahal. Kaya ang accuracy hindi rin ganun ka ganda yung accuracy, no? Now, another is yung reading natin sa oscilloscope. Then also, yung oscilloscope natin, hindi rin siya ganun yan ka good. As in, compared mo sa mga other brand na umaabot na ng $1,000. Ito naman, hindi naman ganun ka mahal. Nasa gitna-gitna lang, no? So, well, tingnan natin yung reading niya. Okay? Tanggalin ko muna tong purple na reading kasi naka-matte yan eh. Okay. Etong green na output na wave tsaka yellow, this is channel this is channel 2, this is channel 1. Okay? Channel 2, channel 1. We have two probes, channel 2, channel 1, and we supply that with our signal generator, or they call this also as signal generator, or ano pa ba yung ibang tawag nila dito? Very common is signal generator, no? So, nakaset yung signal generator natin sa 1,000 Hz or 1 kHz. Then, the amplitude is 10 volts peak to peak, meaning from negative peak and positive peak, no? That's peak to peak voltage. So, 10 volts. Ginaya natin dito sa power supply natin. Kasi itong mga reading natin dito is ang nag-supply ng simple voltage divider natin is itong power supply, DC. Now, by this time, para ma-compare natin ang reading natin sa oscilloscope, we change our supply to signal generator, but same voltage, same amplitude, 10 volts peak to peak, but the frequency is 1,000 Hz or 1 kHz. Okay, and the signal is sine wave. Okay, this one, only this one. The channel 2 is not connected. Channel 2, only channel 1. The yellow signal. That's the blue is off. Okay. Now, pero dito sa oscilloscope natin, we use the two probes, no? The channel 1 and 2 to have two displays as well. Because we put the channel 1, the channel 2 dito sa mini-measure natin na B out, sa voltage out. No, yun dito between two resistors, that is our output voltage na mini-measure. Channel 1 is dito natin connect direct sa source, no? Direct sa source, direct sa signal generator natin, plus and minus. Itong yellow signal. That's channel 1. Now, kung basahin natin dito sa green na display, that's the B out, no? Na mini-measure natin dito. Ito yung mga mini-measure natin using three different multi-testers. So, itong green, this is the B out. Nakalagay dyan is 1.48 volts per division, no? Hindi nalagay na per division, but yan ang ibig sabihin dito, 1.48 volts, that's per division. Okay? Now, Titingnan mo ngayon dito, 1 cycle, or dito, galing dito sa scale na to, sa line na to, horizontal line, 1, 2, 3, from peak to peak. So, 1 division, 2 division. So, the 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. So, 2 divisions. So, since 2 divisions, and every division has 1.48 volts per division. So, if we're going to compute 1.48 volts times 2 divisions, so the output is 2.96 volts. That's peak to peak, huh? So 2.2 volts. So oscilloscope reading natin is 2.96 volts. Okay? That's the B out. Now, ano na itong yellow signal sa channel 1? This is connected directly to our supply generator. Okay, the 10 volts peak to peak. So if we count from this bottom line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So how many divisions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 divisions. So 5 divisions, since that's channel 1, 2 volts per division. Okay? Etong channel 2 is 1.48 volts per division. Etong channel 1 is 2 volts per division. So 2 volts per division times 5 divisions. So that's 2 times 5 is of course 10. Okay? So tama yung reading ng oscilloscope natin. Ito, channel 1, sa nakaset dito sa signal generator natin na 10 volts peak to peak. This is 10 volts peak to peak. Okay? So 5 divisions times 2 volts per division, and that is 10 volts peak to peak. Right? Now, tingnan natin yung itong oscilloscope natin. Mayroon siyang mathematics function. So pwede nating dito sa operator, nakalagay dyan is plus. Pwede nating i-minus yung channel 1 to channel 2, i-minus natin sa channel 1. Okay? Di ba mas malaking total supply voltage natin yung channel 1. Yung channel 2 is the B out between two resistors sa voltage divider circuit natin. Okay? So, operator minus natin, minus source channel 1, channel 2. Channel 1, channel 2. Okay? That's 2 volts per division. So, adjust natin. adjust natin ito. Yan na lang yan. Okay. Adjust natin vertical. Okay. So, kung itotal natin ito naman, 1, 2, 3. Hindi siya eksakto, pero i-compute na lang na i-measure na lang natin. Kita. Kasi itong result ng math natin between channel 1 and channel 2, itong purple display is hindi siya sumakto sa scale, no? Sa guhit. So meaning we have to count we call that gratitude. Etong mga guhit na maliit dito, so may meaning may decimal na ano dito na involved, no? Like in one division, there are 4 small scales, so that's 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. Now, itong dito sa may, kung hindi kasi natin mamove. Okay, mamove natin, be. Saan siya nagsagad? Okay. So, nasa ano siya? Point from 0. So 1.6, then sa positive side 1.6 sa baba, then sa taas is 1. I-move natin. Okay, 1 point, mga maybe 1.4, 1.5. So 1.6 plus 1.4, so more or less nasa 3. Okay, nasa 3 divisions. Itong purple, we're talking about itong purple na sinubtract natin. Itong yellow signal, o sinubtract natin itong green rather dito sa yellow, then ito yung purple ang result. Ito yung voltage output natin sa voltage divider. Ito yung total supply voltage. Ito yung difference nila. Okay? So 6 times it says kanina 2 volts per division. Yan. Scale 2 volts. So 3 times 2 is 6. Because this 3 divisions. These 3 divisions more or less, because this 1.6 dito sa negative cycle and 1.4 more or less dito sa positive cycle. So ipa-plus natin 1.4 plus 1.6 is more or less nasa 3 divisions. So since 2 volts per division. Okay? Yan, 2 volts. Yan. That's the purple. So, 6 volts ang difference ng between the yellow and green signals. Okay? 6 volts. So, meaning, since yung output natin 6 volts, let's approximate, yung difference ng total supply voltage natin is, ang total supply voltage natin is 10 volts peak to peak. Okay? Minus natin itong 296 volts. That is equal to, sa mathematics, simpleng number. Okay, 10 minus 2.96. So 7.04 volts. Pero yung approximate natin na reading dito is, since 3 divisions times 2 is only 6 volts. So only 6 volts. They have difference of at least 1 volt, no? Pero hindi naman natin perfect yung pagkabasa nitong maliliit na scale dito. Estimate lang natin na sa taas is 1.4, sa baba is 1.6, or actually parang 1.8, you know? Sa baba, 1.8. So, kung 1.8 times 1.4 is 3.2. So 3.2 times 2 6.4. Medyo tumaas. Pero actually, estimate lang lahat to eh. 6.4 volts. Okay, but anyway, yan yung ito, tama ito naman. Kasi itong yellow is tama naman siya sa 10 volts sa signal generator natin na inassign natin as amplitude 10 volts peak to peak. And for the frequency, kung bilangin natin itong yellow, ang yellow is ang frequency natin is 1000 Hz or 1 kilohertz. Titingnan natin kung sakto ba sa 1 kilohertz. Enter natin. So, ito, this is the one complete cycle. Okay. One complete cycle. Dito tayo. So, 1 complete cycle, 2 divisions. Okay? 2 times nakalagay dito sa horizontal is 500 microseconds. So, since 2 division, kung i-compute natin the time, okay? Time is equals to 500 microseconds times 2 divisions. So that's 1000 microseconds. Micro, so that's 1 times 10 to negative 6, right? Now, if we convert that to milli, so this will, okay? So that's 1, cancelled on 3 zeros, that's 1 millisecond. We will get the reciprocal of this 1 millisecond. So, to get the frequency, because frequency, formula of frequency is F is equals to 1 over time. Okay? So, let's see, we'll compute frequency. Yung time natin is 1 millisecond. And that is not approximately, but the exact in second is 0.001. That's 0.001 second. Okay? 1 millisecond is 0.001 second. Get the reciprocal of that. There's the one. Here. It says, because this is already second, the 0.001. That's second already from 1 millisecond to second, because we have to convert all the units to base units. So 1 millisecond, the reciprocal of 1 millisecond is 1000 hertz. So the frequency is 1000 hertz. So dito 1 over 1 milliseconds, or that is equivalent to 0.001 second. So get the reciprocal, divide 1 divided by 0.001, and that is 1000 hertz. 1000 hertz is equal to 1 kilohertz. Okay, so that's correct. Tingnan natin yung sa signal generator natin. Is we assigned 1000 hertz or 1 kilohertz frequency, sine wave, and 10 volts peak to peak. Alright, so yan yung experiment natin for today. Simple voltage divider and measuring the B out with different multi-testers and the oscilloscope and signal gene natin, no? Okay, so that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.